What steps ensure a fair arraignment in criminal court? Imagine being suddenly pulled into a courtroom where your future hangs in the balance. Knowing what makes this process fair can make all the difference. First, the defendant must be told about the charges against them within 24 hours of being arrested. This helps them understand what they are facing and is a right protected by the Constitution. The judge then explains the defendant's rights, like the right to have a lawyer, to stay silent, and to have a quick trial. It is important that the defendant can have a lawyer present during the arraignment. If they cannot afford one, the court must appoint a public defender or another attorney. This ensures the defendant can get legal advice before making any decisions. During the arraignment, the defendant is asked to enter a plea, which is usually not guilty, guilty, or no contest. They should have enough time and legal help to decide what to say. This is a key step because their plea can affect how the case moves forward. The court also looks at bail or releases conditions fairly. The judge considers whether the defendant might run away or if they pose a danger to the public. The decision should be made without bias, making sure everyone is treated equally. From a defense point of view, it's important that the lawyer can review the charges and evidence before the arraignment. This allows them to prepare, negotiate with prosecutors if needed, and advise the defendant on the best options. Having the lawyer there helps prevent rushing or pressuring the defendant into a bad plea. Scheduling the arraignment within a reasonable time is another step to fairness. It prevents unnecessary delays that could violate the right to a speedy trial. The defendant should also understand all charges clearly, including any new ones that might come up. The judge must be impartial, not showing bias or trying to influence the defendant's decisions. They should explain what happens next in the process, so the defendant can prepare properly. Getting legal help early is smart. An attorney can challenge any procedural mistakes, like delays or not informing the defendant properly. This keeps the process fair and protects the defendant's rights. In the end, fairness means respecting the defendant's rights, clearly explaining the charges, and supporting them in making informed choices. Knowing these steps helps ensure the justice system works properly for everyone involved.